Good morning. Today we will discuss instruction set of 8051. What are the instruction sets available in 8051? There are 5 types of instruction set in 8051. First one, data transfer instruction set. Data transfer instruction set. Second one, arithmetic instruction set. Arithmetic instruction set. Third one, logical instruction set. And fourth one, bit manipulation. Bit manipulation or Boolean variable instruction sets. And fifth one, branching or control transfer instruction set. In 8051 microcontroller, there are 5 types of instruction set. First one is the data transfer instruction set. Second one, arithmetic instruction set. And third one, logical instruction set. And fourth one, bit manipulation or Boolean variable instruction set. And fifth one, branching or control transfer instruction set. In 8051 microcontroller, total 111 instructions. Total 111 instructions. In data transfer instruction set, total 28 instructions. Total 28 instructions. And arithmetic instruction set, 24 instruction set. 24 instruction set. And logical instruction set, total 25 instructions. 25 instructions. And bit manipulation or Boolean variable instruction set, 17 instructions. And branching control transfer instruction set, this is also 17 instructions. Okay. Yeah, data transfer instruction set. The data transfer instruction set means to transfer the data from one register to another register or register to memory address location or memory address location to register. We can transfer the data between two register or register to memory or memory to register. There are 3 ways we can transfer the data from one position to another position. Register to register or register to memory or memory to register. For that, we can use the 28 instructions. Move, MOV, move. Different types of move instructions we can use. Push, pop, these things and all data transfer instruction set. Okay. Next one, arithmetic instruction set. Arithmetic instruction set is nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, increment and decrement. Total 24 instructions. Addition means to add the two datas. Subtraction means to subtract the two datas. Multiplication means to multiply two datas. Data 1 in accumulator, the second data will be B register. And division means to divide the two data. Data 1 in accumulator, the second data will be B register. And increment and decrement. To increment or decrement the registered data or accumulated data or memory address location data. The same thing, decrement the data. Okay, these things under it comes under arithmetic instruction sets. Next one, logical instruction set. In logical instruction set, total 25 instructions available. In this instruction, logically and, logically or, logically exclusive or, complement, okay, rotate and swap. These instructions comes under logical operations. Logically and means data one in accumulator, the second data will be any one of the register or memory, direct memory or indirect memory. Logically or means logically or accumulator and second data will be any one of the register, memory, direct memory or indirect memory address locations. Same thing, rotate. In rotate there are 4 types of instruction sets available. Rotate without carry, rotate with the carry, left, right. There are 4 instructions available. And swap means the first 4 bit to move into MSB and MSB 4 bit to move into LSB. For that we can use the swap instructions. And bit manipulation or Boolean variable instructions. Bit manipulation or Boolean variable instructions. This is for based on single bit operations. Based on single bit operations. Like CLRC. CLRC means to clear the carry. To clear the carry. Here the carry will be single bit. CLR ACC.5. CLR ACC.5 means accumulator content. Accumulator 5th position bit to clear. Suppose the accumulator data 05. 05 means 00000101. 5th position. This is for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This position. You have to clear. Clear means 1 change into 0. Here 0 already is there. For that we can use this type of instructions. As well as to set. Set SETB. Set C. Set C means to set the carry flag 1. To set the carry flag 1. The same thing. SETB. Set port 1 5th bit. Port 1. There are 4 ports available in microcontroller. Port 0, port 1, port 2 and port 3. In port 1, 5th position bit we have to set into 1. This is called bit manipulation or Boolean variable instructions. Like that, total 70 instructions available. Okay. Next is branching or control transfer instruction set. Branching or control transfer instruction set. Branching. For that we can use the jump instruction, call instruction, rotate instructions. Jump, call and return instructions. These things under it comes under branching instructions. Now to check this condition whether satisfied or unsatisfied. If the condition satisfied, jump to the given 16-bit address location or to call the given 16-bit address location. Return to main program. Here the return always to write in the subroutine program. End of the subroutine, you have to write always the return instruction. Then only it will be returned back to main program. Okay. This is the introduction of instruction set of A0 8051 microcontrollers. Okay, there are 5 types of instructions set in 8051, total 111 instructions. First one, data transfer instruction set. In this instruction set, total 28 instructions available. Next one, arithmetic instruction set, total 24 instructions available, and logical instruction set, total 25 instructions. Bit manipulation or boolean variable, total 17 instructions available. And the fifth one, branch or control transfer instruction set, total 70 instructions. Now total 111 instructions available in 8051. Okay, any doubt? No. Thank you.